Your Samsung TV turns on, shows the logo, and then suddenly shuts off, only to repeat the same cycle again and again. It won't stay on long enough to use, and it's starting to feel like a never-ending loop. In this video, you'll learn exactly what steps to take to stop the restarting issue and get your TV working normally again. The first thing you need to check is the power connection. Look at the power cable and make sure it's not loose, dusty, or damaged in any way. While the TV is still on, unplug the power cord from the back of the TV. This acts as a soft reset and can sometimes clear out small glitches. After that, plug the TV directly into a wall socket instead of using an extension cord or power strip. Low or unstable power from these sources is a common reason why the TV keeps turning off and on. With the TV still turned on, go ahead and unplug it from the power outlet. Then leave it unplugged for at least 30 seconds. After that, plug it back in and turn it on again. This simple step helps clear out the TV's internal cache and can fix small software issues that might be causing the restarting problem. Now, take a moment to disconnect anything that's plugged into the TV, like HDMI cables, USB drives, soundbars, or gaming consoles. Once everything is unplugged, try turning the TV on again. In some cases, these connected devices or their signals can interfere and trigger the TV to restart on its own. Next, check the remote. Remove the batteries and set the remote aside. Then observe if the TV still keeps restarting without it. If it stops, the remote might be the reason, especially if a stuck button is sending signals to the TV. That's it for this video on how to fix a Samsung TV that keeps turning on and off, or stuck in a restart loop. I hope these steps helped you get your TV working again without all the frustration. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Got any questions or want to share what worked for you? Drop a comment below. I'd really like to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.